Want EU residency through your skills? Latvia's Blue Card is one of the most accessible pathways. The EU Blue Card lets skilled professionals work and live across Europe. Latvia stands out for its low entry barriers. Latvia's salary threshold is around 23,640 euros per year, lower than many Western EU countries, making it more achievable. Eligible professions include IT, engineering, medicine, and more. Latvia welcomes a wide range of skilled experts. Applicants need higher education or at least 5 years of relevant experience in their field for eligibility. Applying requires a valid job offer, your qualifications, and proof of meeting the minimum salary criterion. Family reunification is supported. Your spouse and children can join you in Latvia through the Blue Card scheme. Dependent children gain access to Latvia's education system and childcare benefits upon arrival, ensuring a smooth transition. Blue Card holders and their families can freely rent property and open bank accounts after arrival in Latvia. With a Latvian Blue Card, you can travel freely in the Schengen area for up to 90 days in any 180-day period. Language learning support is available, and while Latvian is useful, most workplaces operate in English for skilled roles. Processing times in Latvia are generally shorter than in Germany or the Netherlands, speeding up your relocation. Permanent residency is possible after 5 years, opening the door to long-term stability and European opportunities. Latvia's Blue Card could be your shortcut to Europe. Subscribe for more EU residency comparisons and informed migration tips.